Welcome back to today's deep dive into the world of construction machines, where strength meets refinement and efficiency gets elevated. We're exploring the 2026 Caterpillar D8 Dozer, a real workhorse designed for serious tasks like large-scale site prep, heavy earth moving, and fine finish work. From its rugged exterior to its comfortable interior. Then, through its performance and down to price, we'll cover all the key angles. Let's jump in. When you walk around the 2026 Cat D8, the exterior immediately responds with purpose and presence. The machine features a bold, strong frame built to handle high loads day after day. The elevated sprocket undercarriage is clean, robust, and engineered for stability, slope operations, and durability on tough surfaces. The hood is more streamlined than earlier versions, improving forward visibility and giving the operator a better view of the blade and ground in front. The blade options are generous, semi-universal SU blades, and large surface area configurations designed to move more material in fewer passes. Heavy-duty guarding protects the radiator, hydraulic lines, and cooling system from debris. While the lighting package includes LED work lights mounted front, rear, and on the sides for full job site coverage in low light conditions. Tracks and shoes are built for grit, wide pads, heavy-duty links, and long service life, even in abrasive soils. Service access panels are well placed, so maintenance is less of a headache. You'll find grouped service points, easy access to filters and drains. All in all, the exterior of the 2026 D8 speaks of capability, longevity, and thoughtful engineering. Moving inside the cab, the 2026 D8 steps up in terms of comfort, control, and operator-centric design. The cabin is quiet and designed to minimize fatigue during long operating shifts. The seating is air-suspended and adjustable, with lumbar support, making sure the operator stays comfortable even through a full day of pushing, ripping, or grading. Visibility is excellent thanks to large windows, thin pillars, and a central elevated seat position. The controls are modern. Joystick blade and steering controls replace some of the older levers, more intuitive and less exhausting. The digital display gives live machine information, engine load, hydraulic pressures, blade position, slope information, and more. Optional grade control systems 2D and 3D are integrated, helping operators get faster and better results with less effort. Climate control is powerful and consistent. Heating, cooling, good air filtration are all included. So operators stay in a productive environment whether it's freezing morning or dusty afternoon. Storage, USB power points, Bluetooth connectivity, and improved sound insulation round out what feels like a very up-to-date cab experience. For a machine of this size and capability, the interior lets you stay sharp, comfortable, and in full control. Now, let's talk performance, where the 2026 D8 comes alive. Under the hood, you'll typically find the Cat C15 engine. Power rated around 363 horsepower, 271 kilowatts in many markets, coupled with a fully automatic 4-speed transmission with a lockup clutch torque divider, which delivers strong drawbar pull, smooth shifts, and consistent power to the ground. The operating weight sits around 85,000 to 88,000 pounds, approximately 39,000 kilograms, depending on configuration. The D8 handles large volume pushing, ripping and grading with stability thanks to its long track on ground and optimized weight distribution. Assist technologies like blade load monitor, traction control, and auto carry help reduce fatigue, increase accuracy, and improve material movement efficiency. These features let even less experienced operators stay productive and keep experienced ones highly efficient. The cooling system is high capacity, built for long shifts in harsh conditions. And undercarriage components are engineered for extended wear intervals. Whether you're prepping haul roads, clearing land, cutting embankments, or doing finishing passes, the 2026 D8 offers a blend of brute strength and advanced machine intelligence. Finally, let's move to the price. While specific published list prices for the 2026 D8 aren't always publicly available in all markets, Machines in this class with similar specs will typically fall into the mid to high end of the medium dozer category. Given the D8's capabilities, you should expect new unit pricing in the ballpark of $400,000 to $550,000 USD, depending on configuration, blade type, undercarriage choice, grade control technology, ripper, or other attachments. Optional advanced factory-integrated 3D grade systems, heavy-duty guarding kits, undercarriage upgrades, and site-specific packages will push the price toward the higher end of that range. While the upfront investment is significant, the value comes from long service life, lower fuel use through intelligent controls, reduced operator idle time, and high resale value thanks to Caterpillar's global reputation and dealer network. When you spread the cost over years of operation, the total cost of ownership becomes more compelling, especially for contractors who move large volumes and require dependable uptime. That gives you a full walkthrough of the 2026 Caterpillar D8, sturdy and modern exterior, operator-focused interior, strong and smart performance, and a price point that reflects its premium capabilities. If you're in the market for a machine that can handle serious work, yet doesn't reach the largest size dozer class, the D8 deserves serious consideration.